Welcome to PillEye, Medility's ultimate pill counting app with 99.99% accuracy that boosts your productivity in pill counting. To start, open the PillEye app, sign in, and tap the camera button to take a photo of your pills for automatic counting. You can modify the pill recognition dots for count verification and adjust settings as needed. Rename photos for record keeping by tapping the edit button and entering the medicine name or a custom label. All history, including photos, counts, and custom labels, is stored and can be accessed via the image thumbnail located in the lower left corner. Counting history. From the home screen's bottom menu, you can access the counting history page. If you're a team plan subscriber, you can view not only your counting history, but also the combined history of all team members. If you need to delete any improperly taken photos or specific counting records, simply slide the entry to the left and click the trash button. Alternatively, delete from the photo page by clicking the kebab menu icon and selecting delete. Inventory management. Select the inventory option on the bottom menu bar. To commence inventory counting for a specific drug, click on the Add to List button in the top right corner to register the drug's name. Then, tap the green pill button on the right to input the drug stock volume. After verifying the number of unopened bulk bottle stocks of the pill on your shelf, use the plus button to increase the bulk stock count. Next, enter the quantity of single pills from the opened bottle or use PillEye's autophoto counting feature to tally the remaining single pills. Once done, click the Add button on the upper right corner to save your inventory count. PillEye will then automatically compute the total number of pills for you. You can repeat the process for other pills and tablet-type medications to complete your inventory counting with PillEye. Team management. PillEye offers a team management feature that lightens the load of pill inventory counting by distributing the workload among team members. To use this feature, tap the Settings button at the bottom of the home screen to access My Team menu. Click the Invite Member button on the page to invite members to your team on PillEye. Enter your team member's email address into the invite text box and click Send. Invited team members will get a pop-up alert of their addition to your team upon logging into PillEye with the invitation email. Boost productivity for both you and your team with PillEye. Download PillEye from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and experience enhanced productivity now.